So this is the second problem for the daily Tsumego. So let's get started. So if you were to start with something like this Hane, white just goes here, and if black tries to just capture directly, black doesn't have enough liberties. Even if black tries to Atari here, again, not much he can do. Even something like this can still just Atari and capture. So that's not the right move. Black can also just try to block here, but then white will play this Hane. And after that, there's not much black can do. If he goes here, obviously just Atari. And if he tries to Atari back after connecting here, black just has a lack of liberties. So even if he tries to capture, white just goes here, and white captures first. If black tries a Hane like this, and try to get some kind of snapback or something happening, it also doesn't quite work, because again, just not enough liberties. It kind of reverts back to the other one where black just doesn't have enough time to come back and Atari. Black can also try this one, but white again will just connect under, and after that, white just easily captures. So the best move, I think, is to play this Atari, and white connects. Because here, I don't think in Tsumego it really counts, because there's no ko where you can play somewhere else that's bigger. So there is nowhere bigger, so white would have to connect, and then black just takes, and obviously white would win that. So white has to connect, and then black separates here, and there's a few options. If white tries to go here, black will just Tanuki. If he goes here, obviously black can Atari and capture. If white tries to go this way, black again goes here, and white just doesn't have enough liberties. If he plays here, black will capture, and if white plays here, he also gets captured. So white can't play that one. So white has to play this move. And if black plays this Hane, then obviously black just gets captured. So that means black has to play something in the corner to prevent that, which is this move. So obviously this just doesn't work. So white has to play this one. Black plays here, and then the best solution I can come up with is a one-step ko, which I think that's pretty good. Seeing as this just looks dead. So getting a ko out of it seems like it would be very beneficial to black. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you found a better solution, or if I missed something, just let me know. And I'll see you tomorrow.